We're just days away from the start of the school year, so that means it's time now to start thinking about what your kids will be eating for lunch. WMAR-2 News' Chanel Perriman caught up with the experts today to find out what parents can do to make sure that their kids are getting proper nutrition.
Success in a classroom starts with good nutrition and making sure kids are fueled for a long day of school.
Healthy habits at an early age will have health down the road.
Rebecca Dennison is a registered dietitian at GBMC. She says having a well-balanced diet is key.
We need to eat healthy food so that we nourish our bodies and our brains. And if we're not getting healthy food, the kids are not going to be learning as well.
Dennison suggests kids eat a combination of different food groups like fruits and vegetables, as well as whole grains and protein. Mixing food groups also helps you get full faster.
And it's like 70 calories.
Dennison recommends parents read food labels when grocery shopping. She says you should avoid trans fats and also pay attention to the amount of sugar in what you're eating. Dennison recommends getting items with no added sugar or as little as possible.
So we want to minimize the junk and maximize our health.
And skipping meals shouldn't be an option. Dennison says it does more harm than good.
We don't want to skip meals because when we skip meals, we tend to eat more junk food. And junk food's not fueling our bodies.
Whether you're packing lunch or allowing your child to buy it at school, making healthy choices are important for your child's success in the classroom. And it starts at home.
Teaching the kids what's healthy and what's not healthy, why they need to eat it, when they need to eat it, those things will carry over into the day at school.
To help keep things interesting while also keeping kids healthy, Dennison suggests trying new fruits and vegetables every week or every month. For more tips, visit our website at WMAR2news.com.